We have a very diverse set of solutions that you typically don't find in a more boutique firm like Clark Capital. And an advisor, a financial advisor trying to outsource and look for a partner on the investment management side may have to formulate relationships with 3 to 5 different firms. With Clark Capital, you can get 80 to 90% of what typically you're going to need for the broadest set of your client base, and you can have that with one relationship, one partnership, but multiple strategies and multiple asset classes in one place.
The advisor can come to us and get full service, top-notch, institutional style investment management for their clients and focus on essentially what their competitive advantage is.
And whether that's soup to nuts, complete turnkey, outsource everything, to hiring us for specific mandates like tactical fixed income or high dividend equity strategy, or an equity hedge strategy, or even a liquid alternative strategy.
From a very high level, our investment philosophy is to provide superior risk-adjusted returns through a disciplined process of being flexible and opportunistic, being truly meaningfully diversified, and managing risk. It's not good enough to construct a diversified portfolio, because we know in times of economic and or financial market stress, diversified portfolios suffer because correlations amongst asset classes move higher.
Because if you look back at 1987, the dot-com crash, the financial crisis, there's 2 things each one of those markets had in common. Number 1, stock prices went through the floor. Number 2, volatility went through the roof. So if you can own volatility in your portfolio just like you own a stock that goes up when everything else is going down, that can help offset some of those losses.
You can't just buy volatility and hold it as an asset class. It is something that needs to be managed. Fortunately for us, there's a lot of tools and securities out there in the marketplace that allow us to do that in a very effective and innovative way.
By incorporating that, the flexibility that ETFs provide us to access different asset classes and taking an opportunistic approach, it allows us to position a client's portfolio to take advantage of opportunities or favorable trends that are moving different capital markets around the world. It also helps us avoid some weaker areas or higher risk areas.
You can't be static. You cannot be passive. You have to continue to innovate, not only at the firm level with the investment talent, also at the portfolio level. Part of that being innovative is through suggestions or requests from other financial advisors who really are out there with their ears on the ground, meeting with individual clients and really understanding where their client needs are.
We offer a tremendous level of customization within our solutions because, as you know, every single client is different. They have different objectives, they have different tax consequences. One of the reasons we've had such tremendous growth as a firm is because of the investment philosophy and approach and process that we take, embracing these different methodologies, these different strategies to help deliver a smoother path for a client along their objectives. And if we can do that for the clients, the advisors inherently are differentiating their services to the client by partnering with Clark Capital.